I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can import data on Monday.com. So what you need to do is to click on this plus here, and then you have create a board and doc dashboard. And I'm just gonna turn this off so you can see better. And you can click on this plus here, and then here you have import data. Let's say I want to import data from Excel. I'm gonna click on this, and you can drag a file here. Let's see if I have any Excel files. So what I know I don't have. Okay, I have this one. Now I'm just gonna drag and drop here this file here. Now let's customize your new board. You can upload file again. I'm gonna click on here. Now I can customize this data. I can you can see here this 1 2 3 4 and even 6 to 1 2 3, and I can click on next. So here, as you can see, what's your first column, and here you can customize that part. Here text status, you have this text column. Here you can have a status column, email, whatever you want. You can customize that part and then create a board, right? So it's very easy to import data in on Monday.com. Now that's the text that was just the text that how the file was named, but you can change the name from here, and you'll be able to change the name of this board. Okay, you can change the name of this board very fast. Now you can just edit this board how you want. Now sometimes there's some errors, some like it's not really important. Maybe I was a mistake when I imported actually this file, but now you can add a sub item related to some work, and you can add another one then, or you can right click and create a new sub item below, and then you can have status here, whatever you want anyways. But yeah, if you want to import data from not from Excel but maybe from Trello, you can do it from here. Basically you just need to click on plus, and then here you have the option to import data. That's where you have to go, right? If you work with Asana before, you have some projects there, you just need to connect to Asana, and then you'll be able to select your page. See here, click on connect, you'll open the Asana connection page in order to create this integration. First you need to create integration, and then you'll be able to import your file. So if I click here to connect, this will actually direct me to Asana, and then I just need to log in my Asana account. And then once you logged in, you just need to choose a workspace from Asana. I'll select this one. I don't have that many workspaces there. I mean, only probably one. And you can select all, and then you click on done. And now it's building your boards, columns, and items. It's gonna take you a couple of seconds. So here we have now our boards from Asana. You can also see here Asana. And yeah, that's pretty great. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials.